No problem.
Yeah.
I'm part of you guys, so itabidi muulize tu alafu nitajibu. Hizi vitu zisiwe na corona bwana.
Tunazisanitize.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mr. Alai, we would like you to confirm kwanza umekuja kwa sababu ya kesi ya Ringtone. Afu pili inaendelea sasa hivi.
Nimekuja kwa sababu ya kesi nyingine ya traffic. Ringtone was just a part of it. Mpaka sasa hivi tunangoja kitu inaitwa plea, which is the first stage in the court process. So ndimeletwa kotini kutoka kwa polisi. So kitoka plea hivyo ndio itaenda mentions and then hearing. So I cannot talk much about the case because it affect mambo nyingi sana hapa kotini. But what I can just say is that as a law abiding, I have to play my part to ensure kwamba nimekuja kotini as required, niko out on police bond, and being in court means that you obey the law. Yeah, so I think that's all I can say. The other things which can be added in the case is I have my lawyer here, Edwin Mwenda, who is going to give you guys an update on the case if there's anything else to add.
Wow, so tutaongelesha lawyer. Utatuambia process ya kesi saizi iko aje tangu vile haya maneno yalifanyika.
Mpaka sasa hatujui mashtaka yenye wanaleta against Robert.
Yes.
Tumekuja hapa hii ni mara ya 3. Tangu ile siku aliitwa polisi, akawekwa ndani, akapewa police bond. Hii ni mara ya 3. Kila mara tukikuja hawako ready.
Yeah.
Mashtaka hazikuwa tayari.
Yeah.
So kwa sasa hatujui mashtaka ni yapi, ndio tuweze kujua vile tutasonga mbele. So as we speak today, I can't tell you the charges that he's going to face. We have to appear before court, have the charges read out, get a copy of the charge sheet, and then that way we will know what the charges are and then be able to plan how to defend him.
Yeah. Initially we had seen the case start at Milimani. Later on it was ikaletwa hapa Kibera, kisha tukaambiwa kwamba imepelekwa tena Milimani. Sasa leo tumeona kwamba imeletwa tena Kibera. Ni kwa nini imekuwa na huko kuzungushwa?
Hii kesi iliripotiwa Kilimani police station. So it's really up to the prosecution or the state who are prosecuting the matter to decide where they are going to arraign him. Ordinarily, matters from Kilimani police station come to Kibera. So whether they take it to Milimani or Kibera really doesn't matter. They are both courts, they are both competent. We will appear where they decide.
Yeah.
So today we are at Kibera. If they prefer charges against him in Kibera, we proceed from here.
Yeah. Kuna muda nilikuwa nimeongea pia na the lawyer that same day afterwards. I heard him on a phone call saying that ameambiwa kwamba file imepotea. Maneno hayo yana ukweli upi?
I'm not sure which lawyer was that.
Ringtone's lawyer.
Yeah. He said that the file was missing.
Yeah.
We are not aware. And if that information was true, then the best person to confirm or deny should be the DPP or the police, because they are the ones who have the case file. They are the ones who compiled the documents. As we speak, we do not have any documents. We are only supplied with documents once the charges have been preferred. That's the point where we receive the documents they intend to use.
Yeah.
So I do not know the status of the file. We are just here to attend court because today was the date that was set.
Yeah. We also saw Ringtone come here on an ambulance. Alipigwa sana ikakuwa hawezi akatembea.
That you'd have to ask him. As far as we know, he's okay. He's okay.
Yeah.
Yuko South Africa.
Yuko South Africa, lakini labda muulize. You may have to ask him what he's doing in South Africa. I haven't seen any medical report saying that he requires treatment outside the country. Again, as I said, I have to hear the charges they are preferring against Robert and see the documents.
Yeah.
At this stage, it would really be speculation to try and say what kind of injuries he's alleging or what charges they are facing.
So,
labda manake tulikuwa tumeambiwa kesi ilikuwa inaanza saa 2 au saa 3 asubuhi na sasa hivi ni saa 8.
Saa 6.
What are we still having this case?
As far as we know, yes. We are told the court that is supposed to hear us as another matter proceeding. They have a hearing going on. So as soon as the magistrate is done, then he's going to come to the tent here and do the pleas. So we are really at the mercy of the court. We were told at 8, but we just move with the court. It's the court schedule that guides us.
And about the damage of the car in Ringtone, it's about $500,000. Have you assessed, you as a lawyer, the car and seen what was the damage?
No, I haven't, for the simple reason that that's his allegation. If you allege something, then it's your duty to prove it. So we do not have a duty to value the car. We haven't even seen the car. We would have to see what the claim is based on. Because if you say it's the damage is worth this much, it has to be backed by evidence, which we haven't seen. And like I said, it's after the charges that we get to be supplied with those documents. Yeah. So maybe at that point I can comment. Now, no.
But then I really don't know how the law operates, but Mr. Alai said he's out on bond. Yes. So what were the charges? Because you have to get the charges for you to be out on bond now.
Normally, yeah. There are two scenarios. Yeah. When police arrest you, yeah, there are charges where the law allows them, or there are certain kind of offenses. The law allows them to release someone on police bond as they continue with the investigations. So what was being investigated was the altercation and the report that was made by Ringtone. So he was released even as they continue with the investigations on the report made by Ringtone. I can't tell you the charges because the police do not disclose the charges. Even if they do, you cannot confirm they are the same charges they are going to prefer in court when the matter comes up. Because when the matter was reported, they commenced investigations, they let him free. He has been cooperating so far. So until we see that charge sheet that is being brought to court today, yeah, I cannot really say what are the charges. Yeah. Yes.
I'm going to use Ringtone's word,
yes,
not mine.
Yes.
There's a statement he said, whatever he alleged Alai to have done, alisema hiyo si mtu wa kawaida, ni kama mtu akona shida ya akili. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, he's here. You've seen him.
Sio mtu wa kawaida.
He said yani ni kama
nani akona shida ya akili? So I don't.
Oh, he looks like a madman.
So okay. He's right of opinion.
Precisely. So
before we go further, let me maybe ask a personal question.
Yes.
Have you ever met Ringtone before?
No. I just see the media like that, but we never met physically.
Okay. And then maybe Alai, just a question, a yes or no question. Did you hit Ringtone?
No.
You didn't hit Ringtone?
No.
So what really happened?
I don't know. Like you guys, I'm seeing a lot of movies, karata, nini. So let's pray.
And Ringtone said that you are using the influence you have to jeopardize the case, yani to interfere with the proceedings of the case. What can you say about that?
You know, this is not the case I've had. So and this is not the first or the last case I've had, even this year. If I was to use my influence, I would have used it elsewhere. I think those are real allegations. Like I say, still his opinion. He has a right to them. He can say the best place to prosecute some of these things is in the court, not in the public. If we do it in the public, then we're even disrespecting the judges. Yeah.
Na kulikuwa na rungu fulani pale.
Kama hizi nimebeba rungu nyingi.
Kwa hivyo haukuitumia?
Sikuwa na hata rungu. Sawa, nimeshukuru sana.
Thank you.
Okay.